Hi guys, this is Decent Advice from a vaguely reliable source. I'm Emma, and today I'm going to give a very short list of basic workout tips. This list is in no way all-inclusive, and you should definitely do your own research to find out what's gonna work best for you and your body, because we're all different, unless you're like a twin, but I'm not, and I'm guessing you're probably not either. First tip is to drink lots of water. Water is going to be your best friend. Dehydration is the enemy of a good workout. Make sure you have protein, because protein is going to give you the energy you need to have the duration of a full workout. Third tip, and I really probably should have put this first. The most important thing of working out is to realize that it's not about getting thin. It's about getting in shape. Because thin is a body type. Like, you can't, if your bones aren't structured for that particular body type, you're not going to be able to get there unless you have like bone reconstruction. Is that a thing? Can you just have your skeleton like, I don't know. Anyway, that sounds gross and expensive. So that's not the point. The point is to get in shape, which means building muscle and generally getting your heart healthy so that when you walk up a flight of stairs, you're not drenched in sweat by the time you reach the top. Do not track your progress based on a number on a scale. That's not right. The best way to track progress is through reps, duration, and distance. Push yourself until you get tired, but not to where you're going to get yourself hurt, because that's not okay either. You can work out too much. That is a thing. Don't do that, because that's unhealthy. Don't think that you can just work one section of your body. Just doing a bunch of crunches isn't going to give you rock hard abs, because if you're like me and you're not a bodybuilder, you're going to have a nice layer of fat over your muscles. Just doing abs, you're going to strengthen your stomach muscles, but you're not going to be able to see anything unless you do cardio to burn that fat away. Cardio is awesome. You should be doing cardio at least 10 minutes every day. I say 10 minutes, it'd be better to do like 20 or 30 minutes, but if you only have time for 10, which everyone has time for 10 minutes of cardio, you might not have the motivation for 10 minutes of cardio, but you've got the time. Like, just think of all the like little spare minutes you waste during your day. Let's see, how long did I spend on Tumblr last night? Like 2 hours? I could have done, oh god, this is math. I could have done 12 10-minute workouts during that 2-hour Tumblr break. Then you've done that 10 minutes and you still have an hour and 50 minutes to waste on Tumblr. Like, win-win. There are these 10-minute cardio workouts called 10-Minute Trainer by Tony Horton. I'll put a link to a couple of them in the doobly-doo. And you can just do that video. Like, you can pull it up right on the YouTube. Don't get easily discouraged. If you think you're going to be able to run like a 5-minute mile the first time you go running, you're going to get really discouraged and not want to work out anymore, because that's insane. So hopefully these tips will help you in your working out endeavors. If you have more questions about working out or just anything, so if you have any more questions on this, or you need advice on another subject, you're like, this doesn't apply to me, then you can go to our Tumblr or comment below, or go on to our Facebook page and ask us a question so that we can create content that's more applicable to what you want to hear. We want to create content for you. Say bye, Henry. Henry, do you want to work out with me?